Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this simple video, I'm gonna show you how to getting a song in the CapCut apps. So, I think this video especially for those of you who don't know how to add the music to your project. Alright, so just select audio and then select sound. So you can get a song from TikTok. Just link to TikTok account. And you can also get the song from extract the video. You can also import your files, and you can select this available song from CapCut. For example, I'm going to select from my files, just import files, and select the music or song that I want to add. So you can see the music, the song has been added to the CapCut. Just click add. That's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.